So first, diagram the effects of the following events on the supply or demand for Resin brand cereal. 谢谢你。What's a cereal? Excuse me? Have you eaten it? Yes, exactly. Okay. So basically, this is about supply and demand. Okay. Question A: the price of resin increases. So what will happen? Supply and demand. Demand goes down. It should be supply goes down, right? Because this is a product called Resin brand cereal, right? And this is the ingredient, okay? So the cost goes up, right? Cost goes up, so supply goes down. Okay. 郑怡玲 B. Oh, sorry, it should be self-test problem. Excuse me, sorry. So it should be, okay, anyway. We should go faster because we only have limited time. So determine the effect of each of the following events on equilibrium price and quantity in the global market for silver, okay? Sorry, it should be this one. And support each of your answers with a diagram, but no, it just tell me increase in demand supply, okay? So, 郑怡玲, question A, a dramatic drop in the price of mining equipment. What happened? This is about silver. Supply and demand. Supply or demand. A drop in the price of mining equipment. Right, exactly. Supply increases. Okay, supply increases. So price goes down, quantity goes up. Okay. Zhang Cewei. B. Technological discovery that enables more silver to be mined with the same labor and equipment. What happened? Supply increases. Okay, so price goes down, price of silver goes down, and quantity goes up. C. 郑红喜. Rise in the price of mercury used by dentists to fill teeth with silver. 郑红喜. C. 郑红喜举手. Okay, raise your hand. So what's this? So 郑红喜, what's the relationship between mercury and silver? What's the relationship between silver and mercury? Excuse me? Are you sure? Zhong Bochang. C. Demand will increase. Demand for silver will increase. 黄秀慧. C.苏一总. A rise in the price of mercury. So this is exogenous variable, right? Exogenous, inner silver, right? So this one will affect demand or supply of silver. Okay? So, Wang Xiuwei. Excuse me? Supply or demand? Demand goes up or down? Goes up. Mercury become more expensive, right? And mercury is used together with silver to fill your teeth. Okay? So mercury and silver are complements. They are used together. So now mercury is more expensive, so your demand for it will go down. I mean silver, right? Okay? Questions? Any questions? Okay, next one. 影响 D. Invention of a new video technology that replaces standard cameras and photographs. 影响 D. Okay, this question is a little bit technical. Okay, let me explain it to you. Because now we always use, oftentimes we use digital camera, right? But in the past, if you use film, you have to develop film. And when you develop film, what do you need? You need silver. Okay? So it said, a new invention of new video technology that replaces standard camera and photographs. It means later on, just like we now, we use digital camera, right? So do you need to use silver? No, you don't. So the demand for silver will go down. Do you get it? Okay, good. E, expectation that price of silver is about to rise. 洪大成 E.洪大成 Excuse me, louder. Demand will go up because you expect the price will go up, so you're going to buy more now, right? Instead of paying higher price later. Okay? Expectation, you're going to go up, so you buy more now. Okay? To avoid a higher price later. Okay, F. 陈千云 F. Let me explain it to you. It will be easier. We just mentioned, right? If you're gonna fill your teeth, if you have cavity, okay, what's cavity? 陈建宇, what's cavity? In your teeth. Excuse me? Yes, exactly. Okay. So if you have that, you need to fill something into the teeth, right? Okay. And if gold fillings falls out, means it's not good. Right? So what you do? You use silver to replace it. Okay? So silver and gold are substitute, okay, in this case. Okay, question G. 陈子帅, a new technological discovery that makes gold cheaper to produce.
Supply goes up.
That's for gold. We are talking about silver. So the demand for silver will go down, right? Because supply of gold will go up, the price of gold will go down, and silver and gold are substitute, right? So if gold, the price of gold goes down, you're going to use more gold rather than silver. You get it? Okay. H. Decision by Russian government to sell its official gold reserve on the open market. 邱焕敏 So what will happen to the gold market? 邱焕敏
It may go down.
Right. Because Russians, they're going to sell gold, right? So gold, the supply of gold will increase, price will go down. And in this case, when the price goes down, gold and silver are substitute, right? So you buy less silver. Okay, question 2. Tsai Wenhui, would you please turn on the light? Okay, good, thank you. So in the exam, we'll have question like this. Okay, so you have Q is equal to 10 plus 1/2 P, and Q, here is S, and here is D, equals 100 minus 2P. Okay, so in exam, we will have question like this. First question, solve for equilibrium price and quantity, okay? That's easy. So you have 10 plus 1/2 P is equal to 100 minus 2P. Okay, questions? Any questions? So supply equals demand, right? Supply, demand. And then you have, so here you, 5 over 2P is equal to 90. Okay? Am I right? And then P is equal to, anyway, 36, right? And then you get back to here, we get quantity. So QD is equal to 100 minus 72, so it's equal to 28. Okay, question A done. Question 2. Calculate the point elasticity of demand at the equilibrium price. So this is equilibrium price and quantity, right? So PQ is equal to 36.28. Okay? And then we want to calculate elasticity. Okay? So you need to know the formula of elasticity. So elasticity is equal to dP dQ and Q over P. Okay, can anyone tell me how to do this? Whose turn? Zheng Yihan. How to calculate elasticity? Here we already have P over Q, right? P is 36, Q 28, right? So what's this? dP dQ, right? Where to find it? Here or here? It is price elasticity of demand, right? So it's here. So dP dQ, how much is that? Excuse me? Okay, exactly. And so here is the elasticity. Well, if you have calculator, you can find it, right? Can anyone tell me how much is that? Use your calculator. So this is, well, anyway. So it's 18 over 7, right? 18 over 7. Okay. Question C. Starting at the equilibrium price, calculate. I know that because some people, you haven't taken calculus. So this is dP dQ, right? So maybe Miss Tai and Miss Su, you may have. Well, I will tell you later in class, after class. Okay. Question C is a little bit tedious. Okay. So basically, he said, well, starting at the equilibrium price, calculate the arc elasticity of demand for a $1 increase in the price and a $1 decrease in price. Your answer different, and why? So basically, well, so this is the equilibrium, right? So you need to find out at $37 and $35, okay? Because it said $1 increase, that will be 37. $1 decrease, that will be 35. So you find out anyway, you find out Q1 and Q2, right? So how to calculate it. You calculate, because here is the point, okay? So what you get, anyway, let's deal with this next week. 我讲一下哈，开始。